The Ford Explorer EV 2023 present allows you to control the AC in multiple ways to optimize comfort and range. You can enable or disable the AC system via the touchscreen, voice commands, or physical buttons. This control is crucial for managing energy consumption and extending your vehicle's range. The primary method to control the AC in the Ford Explorer EV is through the Sync 4 infotainment system. Navigate to the climate control icon on the touchscreen. You'll find an AC on-off toggle here. Selecting off conserves battery power, especially useful in moderate climates or when maximizing range. Ford released a major OTA update in mid-2025, adding customizable AC presets. For hands-free control, utilize Ford's Alexa integration. Simply say, "Alexa, turn on the AC," or "Alexa, turn off the AC." Ensure your Ford Pass app is active and connected for voice commands to function properly. This is a convenient option for quick adjustments while driving. A dedicated AC button is located on the center console panel. Pressing this button cycles through various AC modes, including turning it off completely for recirculation only. This is beneficial when you want to minimize energy consumption while still maintaining some cabin ventilation. The Ford Explorer EV includes automated AC features in Eco mode. The system automatically enables air conditioning based on cabin temperature sensors to maintain comfort. However, drivers can override this automation in the vehicle settings to disable AC entirely for maximum range preservation. When disabled this way, AC reduces electrical load by 2 to 5 kilowatts, potentially extending driving range by 10 to 20 miles in hot weather conditions. The automated system integrates with the vehicle's thermal management, as shown in this cooling diagram, to optimize efficiency. Electric vehicles are trending toward AI-driven climate controls for smarter energy management. Ford's 2025 models introduce predictive AC using GPS and weather data to pre-cool the cabin efficiently. By 2028, Ford plans full V2X integration, allowing grid-responsive AC control for better energy management. Energy-efficient AC remains a major selling point, balancing comfort with extended range. When disabling the AC in your Ford Explorer EV, be aware that this can significantly impact comfort levels, especially in extreme temperatures like very hot or cold weather. The cabin may become uncomfortable quickly without active cooling or heating. To help maintain a tolerable cabin environment without fully enabling AC, consider using the recirculate function. This circulates air within the cabin rather than drawing in outside air, helping to keep the temperature more stable while conserving energy. Always monitor your battery levels closely and adjust AC usage accordingly, particularly on long journeys. Lower battery levels mean less power available, so disabling AC can help preserve range when you need it most. The Explorer EV's system automatically monitors battery temperature to prevent overdischarge when AC is enabled. This safety feature protects the battery from damage by limiting power draw in extreme conditions.